Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 1, Lesson 2. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to find many parts within one whole number. Okay, so let's look at this. We have a picture of all of these lovely apples. Okay, we have to see, which two parts do we see in these apples? Because many different people see different things. So, just like I've been telling my kiddos in class, is that we're number detectives right now. We're looking at these numbers and we're having to really see what parts we see in this big picture. Okay, so looking at this, some of you may say, oh, right off the bat, I see 3 apples and 4 apples. Well, perfect. Let's write that in our number bond. Now, we know that we circled 3 apples and 4 apples. 3 and 4 are our parts. Because remember, our parts are things that it's 2 parts that make up that one big old whole. Okay, so all of the apples together will be our whole. These 4 and these 3 are our 2 parts. So we know that 3 and 4 are our parts. Now let's figure out our whole. So we just count all the apples all together to figure out the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that our whole is 7. Now some people may say, Ms. Perkins, I didn't see 3 and 4. That's not what I was thinking of. Okay, well let's look at another one that we could do. Now, maybe you saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. So let's write that. 5 and 2 are our parts, because that's what's making up our whole. Parts is what make up our whole. And what is our whole again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, our whole is all of them together. Okay, so we know that we know that 5 and 2 make 7. Now let's do one more. Now, you may be saying, well, Ms. Perkins, that's still not what I saw. Well, let's see. Let's see if maybe this one's what you saw. What about if you say, well, Ms. Perkins, I just see 7 and 0. Okay, perfect. Let's put that in a number bond. Well, we know that there were 7 apples in one part and 0 in the other part. Okay, so we had 7 and 0 make up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our whole is 7. Because whenever we put 7 and 0 together, it would make 7. Alright guys, that is it for this video.